Good morning, children, and welcome to Standard Fourth. I'm really happy to have you all over here in this class. The subject I'll be taking is Maths, and my name is Arpita Desai. Now I'll go to the chapter. The name of the chapter is Building with Bricks. In this chapter, we are going to learn about brick, pattern of brick, size, how it is, which shape it is related, and where it has been used. आपको पता है ये ब्रिक हम लोग घर या मकान बनाने में या बिल्डिंग बनाने में इस्तेमाल करते हैं। जब हम ब्रिक को सामने से देखेंगे विल हैव अ सिंपल रेक्टेंगुलर लुक, बट इट इज़ अ थ्री डायमेंशनल शेप, सो इट इज़ रिलेटेड विद अ क्यूबॉइड। ब्रिक कौन से कलर की होती है पता है आप लोगों को? इट इज़ ऑफ रेड कलर। और इसको सिर्फ कंस्ट्रक्शन में ही यूज़ होती है ऐसा नहीं है, इसकी अलग अलग पैटर्न्स और डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ डिज़ाइंस हैव बीन आल्सो मेड बाय अरेंजिंग देम as shown in the picture over here. You can see the different patterns and designs made by the mason on the floor over here. They have been arranged in circular way, triangular way, rectangular way, and in many different kinds to make the different patterns and designs. This arrangement of the bricks is been done on floors, on walls of the building, and many other places. Now I'll tell you about the arranging of bricks when in some place we won't keep the brick, we'll leave it the space. कहीं कहीं अगर हम लोग की कुछ जगह पे छोड़ देंगे तो उस जगह छोड़ने के बाद ऐसे बनाते बनाते एक पैटर्न और डिज़ाइन बनेगी, और इस तरह से जो वॉल बन जाएगी उसको जाली कहते हैं, which is called जाली, because you can see from the one side to the other side from the space left between the bricks. As shown in this picture, you can look over here. And we can make also arch of the bricks. In the last picture it is shown by arranging the bricks in standing position, they have made arch. You can see in your textbook also this picture. Now I will tell you something about brick also. As I told you before, putting it position in front of us, the brick, first look we'll say it is a rectangle shape, but as it is a three-dimensional shape, I will also explain how many faces, its corners, and height and width of the brick is. Number of edges in a brick is 12. Number of corners is 8. Length is approximately 21 centimeter and width is approximately 10 centimeter, and the height of the brick is approximately 7 centimeter. Now this is I have explained or described something about bricks. Now I will have one example sum from your maths workbook. The cost of 1000 old bricks is rupees 4200. The cost of 1000 new brick is rupees 7200. In this we have sub questions. In A, B, C it is given. Question A. What is the cost of 2000 old bricks? We have the cost of 1000 old bricks, that is 4200, and we have to find the cost of 2000 old bricks. तो हम लोग इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So I have shown the working below. The 2000 is written above and 1000 written below. And multiplication sign is put in between. And the other side 4200 is written, which is the cost of 1000 brick. And below I have put the question mark. जब हम लोग सारे zeros 2000 और 1000 में से कट कर देंगे, the 2 is been left. Now which numbers are left? 2 is left on your left side and on your right side 4200 the amount is left. तो हम लोग 4200 में से 2 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So we will get the cost of 2000 old bricks, that is rupees 8400. Now we have to find the cost of 500 old bricks. हमारे पास 1000 ओल्ड ब्रिक्स का कॉस्ट दिया गया है और हमें अभी सिर्फ 500 यानी उससे आधी ब्रिक्स का आधी यानी उसको तोड़ के आधी नहीं करना है, यानी उसके हाफ पोर्शन जितनी 1000 ब्रिक्स है उसमें से 500 ब्रिक्स का ही कॉस्ट फाइंड करना है. तो वो कैसे होगा? तो जो अमाउंट है उसको डिवाइड बाय 2 कर देंगे, हाफ ऑफ इट विल कर देंगे. और आई शो द वर्किंग ओवर देयर. 1000 is written above and below it is written 500, and on the right side 4200 it is written, and below the question mark has been kept. When we'll cut the zeros from 1500, in above 10 will be left and below 5 will be left. 5 2s are 10, so 1 and above it will be 2 on the left side, and on the right side we have the amount of the bricks of 1000. Now we will divide that by 2 and we will get the half amount of 500 old bricks. That is, the cost of 500 bricks is rupees 2100. Children, now see what is the cost of 2500 old bricks. हमने पहले ए क्वेश्चन के अंदर कॉस्ट ऑफ 2000 ओल्ड ब्रिक्स ढूंढा है जिसकी अमाउंट है 8400 रुपीज़. अभी हमने बी में कॉस्ट ऑफ 500 ओल्ड ब्रिक्स भी ढूंढा. अगर हम ये दोनों कॉस्ट को ऐड कर देंगे, दैट इज 8400 प्लस 2100, then we'll get the total cost of 2500 old bricks, that is rupees 10,500. Now question D. What is the cost of 2000 new bricks? We have got the value of 1000 new bricks, that is 7200 rupees. Now we have to find the cost of 2000 new bricks. As we had done before in A question, you just have to cut the zeros from 1000 and 2000. The remaining number will be, the left number will be only 2. So that we will multiply by 7200 and we'll get answer is 14,400. That is the value of 2000 new bricks. Now we have the same thing in E also. Like, what is the cost of 500 new bricks? We are having the value of 1000 new bricks. We have to divide by 2 and we'll get answer 3600. What is the cost? F question. What is the cost of 2500 new bricks? So we will add the cost of 2000 new bricks with the cost of 500 new bricks. That is 14,400 plus 3,600. So by doing this, we will get the total cost of 2500 new bricks is rupees 18,000. Now question D. A builder bought 2000 new bricks and 3000 old bricks. What is the total cost of the bricks? The cost of 2000 new bricks that we have found before is 14,400. Now we have got the cost of 2000 old bricks, that is 8,400, that you can see from a question. The cost of 1000 old bricks, that is rupees 4200. By adding this two amount, we will get the cost of 3000 old bricks, that is 12,600 rupees. Now this amount will add with 2000 new bricks amount. So 14,400 plus 12,600, we will get the amount is 27,000 rupees, which is the total cost of 5,000 bricks. Hope you all have understood this sums, children. And we'll meet you again. Okay, bye. Thank you.